Good afternoon, everybody. Here's what we're talking about for this evening. Some in and out light snow showers, just like we've seen all day. Temperatures again just hovering around 32 degrees. Remember where this snow forms. Where this snow is falling from, it's about 23 or 24 degrees, so plenty cold for it to be snow, but by the time it hits the ground at 33, and well, we've been up to about 40 degrees at some places today, we're finding it's not accumulating a lot, but we're going to see minor accumulations out of this over the next few hours here, even yet this evening. As far as the skies above, do take a look. While we've had the clouds, we had some snow showers a little more active early this morning. Took a little bit of break here and there during the afternoon, but it's back. Little bit of some ice pellets mixed in with this as you get a little bit farther to the south where the upper temperatures are a little bit warmer. Nonetheless, a brief wintry mix down that way. Everybody coming back to the light snow equation later tonight. Temperatures 32 in Rockville, 33 in Paris, 37 in Robinson. Let's make a quick note of this. Things are wet outside. The road's wet, the sidewalk's wet. That's going to refreeze, and while we don't see a whole lot of slick spots, at 32 degrees in Rockville already, you're starting to see things trying to freeze. Of course, when you're driving on those roads, they're fine. Had some rain yesterday. That rain is actually kind of keeping the ground kind of warm, or warmer than the actual temperature outside. Nonetheless, after midnight or so, everybody's going to be cold. A few slick spots as a result. Wind chills in the mid-20s. Okay, it's February, getting close to March. Not the coldest numbers we've seen so far this season. I've already got spring fever up here. I'm ready to see spring moving in, but it's still cold outside. Feels like 24 in Paris, 25 in Terre Haute. Talked about this yesterday. Flood warning still going to be in effect for the Wabash, the Embra, the White River. You get over into the Little Wabash over here into Clay County, Illinois. That is going to be coming up pretty quick today, tomorrow, and through the weekend. We started off at about 4 feet on the Wabash River just 2 days ago, and it's come up very quick. Just wanted you to know, if you're near the rivers, watch the rivers. They're coming up pretty fast. Snow showers, here they are. This is basically the past 12 hours in the skies above, and you see, well, there's not a lot of snow here right now, but there's still a lot of miles to the western edge of this system. As you can see, it's out here into Iowa and Missouri, so we keep this in our forecast through Thursday. We keep this in the forecast into the first part of Friday. Futurecast keeps this blue stuff around tonight. Look at that clock up there. We'll stop it at 7 tomorrow morning. Some light snow showers, no accumulation with this. Upper 20s, it'd be minor accumulations, quarter, half inch at most, and that's what we saw in some areas today. 3/4 of an inch in a few select areas on the grassy areas in those counties. Otherwise, we just again see these clouds hanging around, temperatures in the upper 30s tomorrow, 36s, 7s, and 8s outside. We get into the first part of Friday. This system's still not gone at that point. Heaviest snow areas are off to our east, but we're going to find that through Friday, snow flurries exist, clouds still exist, and we don't get into a whole lot of sunshine until Saturday, just in time for the weekend, which isn't bad. Still below average, upper 30s. That's through 6 p.m. coming up on Friday. So forecast tonight gets us down to 29 degrees, occasional snow, and that's a cold west wind that's going to be out there. Wind chills 20, 21, 22 tonight. 39 degrees, that'll be our daytime high tomorrow. Occasional snow like we've seen today. Any accumulations will pile up on the grassy areas and be minor. 26, staying cold, snow flurries tomorrow night. That gets us into Friday. And after Friday, I'm looking at that weekend. But look at those numbers, 33 and 34. That's not anything to really be excited about. Your average high now is about 45 degrees. We don't see those numbers in the next 7 days. Matter of fact, we don't see those possibly for the next 10 to 14 days as temperatures are going to be running below average. But that's not too bad, right, Susie, the weekend?
The snow's pretty, but I think I'm ready for spring. I'm kind of done with